Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my brothers and sisters. Hope you are doing well. Today's verse of the day comes from Surah Al-Isra, verse number 23. Allah mentions in the Holy Quran, وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. And your Lord has decreed that you not worship anyone except Him, and to parents good treatment. Al-Ihsan, good treatment. My brothers and sisters, Allah opens up this verse by saying that do not worship anyone beside Allah Almighty. There is none worthy of worship except Allah. So Allah declared the oneness of Himself, Tawheed. And immediately after, what Allah mentions, be kind to your parents. My brothers and sisters, this shows the immense status our parents hold, my brothers and sisters. And after Allah, in fact, they are the one who deserve our utmost respect and care. Because if Allah mentioning them with Himself, it means they have to be, there is something special in them, because Allah could have mentioned, worship me, and then perform namaz or give zakat or charity or perform hajj and umrah. But no, He didn't mention all of that. He just simply mentioned, worship me, and after immediately He mentioned, be kind to your parents. Be dutiful or mindful to your parents. Subhanallah. But my brothers and sisters, in today's life, many people are busy in their work, in their goals, and in worldly life, working here and there, and in their busy life they forget one important role, and that is to look after their parents. Don't we see, we are living in Trinidad and Tobago, don't we see many parents are living alone, mother living alone, father living alone, and children don't even have time, my brothers and sisters, to go and look after them, to see them, to talk to them, care them. And when we look at the verse of the Holy Quran, Allah uses the letter Al-Ihsan. Al-Ihsan means more than just being polite. It means talking to them gently, even when they are strict or even when they are repetitive. It is our responsibility to talk to them in a gentle way, in a kind way, in a soft way, and not only talking to them but listening them, supporting them financially, emotionally. As children, it is our responsibility, my brothers and sisters, to make sure that our parents are in good condition. Our parents feel safe when we are around them. And it's a great responsibility that we have forgotten in our life. Many parents, father or mother, they yearning to see their children, but people just don't care, because they are busy, because they have family, they have business, they have some other things to do. But because of your mother, because of your father, you are here in this world, my brothers and sisters. This is something we need to keep in our mind. Mother and father, our parents, they hold immense status in the sight of Allah Almighty. Hence the reason Allah first mentioned about Himself, and then immediately He mentioned about the parents. So we have to make sure, if your parents are alive, my brothers and sisters, make sure that you are well taking care of them. How hard it is, just to see them once a day, or how hard it is to even just call them, how you going, daddy, how you going, mommy, look after them, if everything is okay. Sometimes these small actions, my brothers and sisters, bring big blessings in our life. So we make dua that Allah Almighty grant all of us tawfiq to look after our parents and care them, and and treat them in a gentle way, in a nice way. Ameen bijahi nabiyil amin sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.